In this video, we're gonna go ahead and check out Apple's latest MagSafe charger and see what else can we charge with it, like AirPods, Apple Watch, an older iPhone that supports wireless charging. Let's go ahead and find out, as well as take a quick look at Apple's new iPhone 12 case that's also compatible for the 12 Pro. This one in particular happens to be the clear case, so let's go ahead and also take a look at that and see if it's actually worth picking up as soon as you get your device. So let's go ahead and just begin with the MagSafe charger. It comes inside this very small package. It does connect with a USB-C port. Power brick, of course, is not included, but they're specifying a 20-watt charger or greater, it looks like. Unboxing it, it's no different than any ordinary Apple box. Pull this green label that was not supposed to rip off, with the same caption, designed by Apple in California. Opens up like any ordinary charger, to be honest. Here you have the cable nicely wrapped, which will never look the same after we unbox it and get it out of its original package. As for this part, it just slides out like so. The material is made out of aluminum. It's one thing I immediately noticed. It does have a nice weight to it, which is very similar to like the puck that the stainless steel or the premium version Apple Watch normally comes equipped with. There is some oddly shaped engraving right here, R-NZ, as well as other icons right here, which I don't know what they are. Leave a comment if you know. Besides that, this part seems to concern me, and the cable is, in my opinion, disappointingly short. This is how the USB-C end looks like. That's basically the MagSafe charger. Now, as for this clear case for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, they actually put a dash there, so yes, they do fit the same exact iPhone. And by peeling off this back part like so, rip this off, really aggressive, and here's the case. In the back here, I just noticed there actually is text that follows along the edges, which is quite interesting. It's not a sticker, as this does not want to come off, and the plastic material feels no different than a standard hard plastic case. And if we actually, out of curiosity, if we attach the two, it does add magnetic support, and it does actually feel quite hefty. Now, the magnetic strength may be significantly more improved as soon as we get the original phone, so stay tuned for us to test out tomorrow. So here's the charging puck, and here's my iPhone 11 Pro. If we center it, it charges. Out of curiosity, yeah, the magnets did stick to the body for a short second. That is really interesting, but it doesn't provide enough strength that it will center itself and line everything up automatically. So some integration's already here. So if we take something like the Pixel, which also supports Qi charging, charges it just fine and actually stays on the device. But the magnets aren't that strong. So here we got standard AirPods 2 I believe they are. Charges just fine. And here's a case of AirPods Pro, which should also wirelessly charge just fine, and it does. But it doesn't suffer the magnetic effect like the other phones with their magnet coils or whatever. And just out of curiosity, I put the iPhone 11 Pro, and surprisingly, it fits. The buttons on the side don't really do much, as they don't really make contact very well to the device. It's a lot of extra space in there actually. But if we go ahead and see if we could let the case line it up, it actually works. And it's pretty strong. Would it be strong enough for me to lift it up? It is. Fascinating. I still don't understand what this bit is. So in conclusion, I mean, from what it looks like, the magnet is semi-strong. It's probably even more powerful as soon as you have the original iPhone onto this, like an iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. So I can see the strength being stronger. The length of this cable, unfortunately, it's only 1 meter, which is 39 inches. In my opinion, that is really disappointing considering the price that you're paying for and the fact that this part is non-removable. The end right here of the USB-C does concern me because very similar to like previous Apple cables in the past, it doesn't handle wear and tear very well. And yes, I tried putting my Apple Watch on. It didn't do anything, to no surprise. But we can conclude that you could wirelessly charge any other device that supports wireless Qi charging, and does have support for fast wireless charging, as long as you're using the appropriate power adapter to charge it. Is this worth it? I don't know. I still feel like I want to test this out a bit more. For the cost, you can always get like an Anchor one on Amazon for like 20 bucks or so. And I believe they do provide the power brick, unlike this. Then as for the case, it still is left a mystery, but the design is definitely something. But that's it. That's just a quick hands-on overview of a product. Yes, you could tell I wasn't originally planning on recording this, but I know some of you requested this on social media, so there it is. If you'd like to see more of these quick first impression videos, let me know in the comment section if you don't mind seeing these like quick overview videos as soon as a product arrives. So be sure to subscribe for the in-depth review of this, as well as other iPhone accessories I plan on rolling out in the near future for an upcoming video, and I'll let you know if this is actually worth it or not. But besides that, for more Apple stuff, make sure to go ahead and watch this video, as that was actually number 9 trending somehow. Yeah, that was crazy. And then this video over there, that's just a video that YouTube is recommending specifically for you. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.